in this video I will show you the simple example on for loop. It's just to show how the for loop works. So that is why I show you the very simple one first. So as you have learned in the notes previously for loops, you know that after the for function there will be three sections inside the bracket. So the first section will be the variable initialization, and the middle one, the second one, is the loop condition, and the last one will be the counter or the variable update. Previously in the while and do while loop, we did the variable initialization outside the loop block or the loop compound. We did here normally, for example, like this. So if you're using for loop, you no need to do the initialization at the declaration part. You just declare the variable that you want to use for the loop, and then the initialization will fall under the loop compound here. Okay, so this is the initial value for variable I that you have declared in this line. This variable I will be used for the loop for. Okay, so this is the first value of I, and it will check the condition of the for loop whether this value of I at this state meet this condition. The condition says I must less than or equals to 6. So at this state I equals to 2. So 2 is less than 6. So before it goes to the update, it will first execute the statement inside the compound or block of the for loop, which is this one. Okay, how do I know this is the compound of the for loop? Because it is included in the curly bracket of the loop. Okay, so the statement asks the code block to display the value of I. So at this state I is 2. So if you execute this coding, 2 will be displayed. Okay, and then it won't go out from this loop first. It will do the update I++. So now it update I by adding with 1. So now I equals to 3. So 3, it checks the loop condition either it is true or not. If it is true, it will execute this statement. So that is why number 3 will be displayed, and this loop will be updated again and again until I equals to 6. For example, when it equals to state, this equation is still valid because the equation is I less than or equals to 6. So when I equals to 6, this condition is true, so that is why 6 will be displayed here. Okay, so 6 will be displayed at this line, and then it update again. And now let's say I equals to 7, and does this condition true? Valid? Is it valid? No, because it is not equals to 6 or less than 6 when its value is 7. So the condition is not true. It will go out from this loop. It will go straight to the next line, which is displaying the string of the end. So that is why after 6 and at the new line of the value, after the value, the end words will be displayed here. Okay, so this is a very simple example for loop. Let's say that I want to display the same value but using this condition. Let's say the condition is I must be less than or equals to 6, and I must be greater than 3, for example. Okay, let's make it this as a command. So I want you to change condition according to this rule. I must be greater than 3 and must be less than or equal to 6. Okay, this is not possible if you just copy paste this and paste it here. Yeah, you will find that there's gonna be an error. If you not believe me, let's run this coding and see. Oops, something wrong. See, there's an error. It displays a lot of numbers which is not according to what we want. So in order to use this equation for the loop condition, we have to use the operator. We call the operator as a logical operator. So the logical operator that suits this condition, because it relates to each other, we have to use the operator and. Okay, so make sure the condition start with the variable first. So the variable must be greater than 3 and double n. I must be less than or equal to 6. So let's check whether this is true or not. Before that, sorry, I think I have to change this to 1, because if I choose 3, the condition is wrong. Okay, so sorry for my mistake. Let's view and run this again and see whether it displays. Yeah, it displays the same values as previous. Do we use this condition? It's just the same. Okay, let's say that I want to change the variable update or the counter. I want to change the counter from the increment to relational or arithmetic operator, which is I plus 2. So it means that the variable I will be updated by adding 2. So let's see. Okay, before we see the display, let's check what gonna be appeared from the display if we do this. Okay, so I equals to 2. So I or 2 meet this condition. So the value of 2 will be displayed based on this statement. So 2 will be displayed. Example. Okay, and then it won't go out from this loop yet. It will update. This update shows that I will be added by 2. Okay, so the current value of I at this state is 2. So 2 plus 2 will be equals to 4. So 4 still meet this condition, means that 4 will be displayed. Okay, and this condition, this variable will be updated. So the current value of this I is 4. So when 4 is added by 2, the new value of I will be 6. So this condition is still valid because I less than or equals to 6. So 6 will be displayed based on this statement. Okay, and then it update again. So when 6 plus 2, the value will change to 8. And now 8 is no more meet this condition. So this loop will be terminated. So the next line will be executed, which is the end. So as a logical, this will be displayed. So let's see whether it runs the same thing as I explained earlier. Yep, it runs the same thing as we explained. It will display 2, 4, 6. So the display is correct, and after that we'll display the word the end. So that's all for the basic explanation for the for loop. Okay, don't forget to see the next Example,